Federal jury convicts Milwaukee Judge Hannah Dugan of obstructing ICE agents. Federal jury in Milwaukee handed down a guilty verdict Thursday against Circuit Judge Hannah Dugan for obstructing immigration and customs enforcement agents during an attempted arrest of an undocumented immigrant. The case centered on Eduardo Flores Ruiz, a Mexican national charged with misdemeanor battery, who was seized by ICE agents outside the courthouse after a brief pursuit and later deported. Dugan, who had been indicted by a grand jury a month after the incident, maintained her innocence and pleaded not guilty to a felony charge of obstructing a proceeding and a misdemeanor charge of concealing a person to prevent arrest, though the jury acquitted her of the lesser count. Throughout the trial, federal agents testified that Dugan appeared visibly angry when she confronted them in a public hallway, questioned whether they possessed a judicial warrant, redirected them to the chief judge, hastened Flores Ruiz's case, and permitted the defendant and his lawyer to exit the courtroom through a jury door that opened onto a public corridor. Prosecutors highlighted these actions as a deliberate roundup and an escape route that enabled Flores Ruiz to evade immediate detention. Audio recordings of Dugan stating she would take the heat for her decisions were also presented. Dugan's defense argued that shifting immigration enforcement policies at the courthouse created confusion and that the defendant's passage through the jury door simply returned him to a public hallway, not a concealed location. The judge chose not to testify. In closing, Dugan's attorney urged jurors to view themselves as a check on governmental overreach, emphasizing the power to correct an unjust prosecution. The case also touches on broader policy shifts. Prior to President Trump's first term, federal agents were largely barred from courthouse entries, but a 2018 executive directive expanded their authority, a stance that has intensified under Trump's second term.